So, seventh class, good morning all, and let us start our Photoshop topic in continuation with the previous lecture. So, clicking on the file menu, go to the open option. The open dialog box appears and choose the desired image. Click on the open button and you will notice that the desired image get opens in front of you. Okay. So we are going to perform some operations on it. But before you can perform any operation, there is need to select the image. As I told you yesterday, and there are some selection tools available for that. Marquee tool, lasso tool, magic wand tool, and quick selection tool. I repeat all the selection tools: marquee tools, lasso tools, quick selection tool, and magic wand tool. Okay. So these are the various types of selection tools, right? So yesterday we covered the magic wand tool. Today, let us go with the cropping of image. How you can crop the image. Okay, in general sense, what is crop? You people are using internet, you people are using smartphones, you might send photographs or images to your friends via WhatsApp. What do you mean by crop? Anyone can tell me the general meaning of crop? Yes, Rishita, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Crop means to remove the unwanted part of the image.
Yes, very right. When you want to remove the unwanted part, the part which you don't want, that part you can remove, that is called cropping. Okay, clear? So today we are going to crop the image. The fifth tool from the top, the fifth number tool from the top, that is the crop tool. Okay, so when you open the image, you click on the crop tool from the tools panel. Move the mouse pointer over the portion which you want to crop. आप जिस पोर्शन को क्रॉप करना चाहते हो उस पोर्शन को करो सिलेक्ट. When you will select the desired portion, you will observe that rest of the portion becomes dark. The unwanted portion will become dark. Have you noticed? Only the penguin which I have selected, only that is visible. Rest of the image has become dark. This area which is clearly visible, the cropping area, it is called cropping marquee. It is called cropping marquee. The cropping portion, the portion that you have cropped, okay, the part of the image, the selected part of the image, this selected part, it is known as cropping marquee. Right? Now press the enter key. See it, check it. The image get cropped. Is it okay? Cropping is clear to all? So I have undo the process so that I can move on with the next topic, right? Now, the next concept is move tool. Beta, move tool is a tool that is used to move the object from one location to another location. आप एक ऑब्जेक्ट को एक लोकेशन से सेकंड लोकेशन तक मूव करवाना चाहते हो, राइट? सो फॉर दैट वी विल बी यूजिंग द मूव टूल, राइट? द वेरी फर्स्ट tool in the selection in the tools panel is the move tool. Okay, clear? So first of all, select the part of the image which you want to move. Using the rectangular marquee tool, I have selected the part of the image which I want to move. Okay, now click on the move tool from the tool panel. The mouse pointer will be converted in the move tool shape with the arrow and scissor. Now click the mouse button and drag the portion to wherever you want. Whichever place you want, drag your portion to that particular place and release the mouse button. Clear? Am I clear to all? The use of move tool. Again, I did Control plus Z to undo the operation. Now, one thing I told you, moving from one location to other, shifting the location, shifting the position. One thing is copy. One thing is copy. Copy means to create duplicate of original. Here also, if you want to copy the selected part of the image, you will first of all select the image, then click on the move tool, press the Alt key and drag the desired part to some other portion. Press the Alt key. माउस को ड्रैग करने के साथ ऑल्ट की प्रेस करके रखनी है तो आपका सिलेक्टेड पार्ट कॉपी होगा. ये देखो, इन द प्रीवियस पोर्शन इट वाज मूव्ड फ्रॉम वन लोकेशन टू अदर. वो एक जगह से हटके दूसरी जगह पे चला गया था. बट इन द कॉपी द डुप्लीकेट इज क्रिएटेड. ओरिजिनल रिमेन्स देयर वेयर इट वाज. सो इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी द selected part, then you have to press Alt key along with the dragging of the mouse button. Click the mouse button, drag the mouse, but press the Alt key along with that. Okay, clear? Now I tell you two shortcut keys. Beta, shortcut key for magic wand tool I told you yesterday is W. And shortcut key for cropping is C. C is the shortcut key for cropping and W is the shortcut key for magic wand tool. Am I clear? Now the next tool is quick selection tool. Now if you want to go with the quick selection tool, what is quick selection tool, beta? Quick selection tool is used to quickly select the part of image which requires the greater precision. This is your quick selection tool. I click here. See here how quickly the selection goes. Again see, I click here, just the moment I drag the mouse, how quickly the outer area got selected. Okay, this is quick selection tool. So I revise all the selection tool once again: marquee tool, lasso tool, magic wand tool, and quick selection tool. Okay, clear? And crop tool and move tool. These all are selection tools. Clear to all? Any questions, any doubt? Shall I repeat any tool again? Yes, Kanav, if you have any doubt, please come on the video and tell me. Yes, unmute yourself, Kanav, please.
सर मैजिक वैन टूल की शॉर्टकट की क्या है?
W.
ओके सर.
Yes, Krishna, unmute yourself, बच्चे.
सर जैसे सर आपने ये पिक्चर ली है सर, हम इसमें सर फोटोशॉप में खुद की पिक्चर बना के नहीं ऐसे कर सकते?
कर सकते हो बेटा. You click your selfie, click your picture and save it in your laptop or desktop and you can edit in the Photoshop.
ओके सर.
Yes, Puranjay, unmute yourself.
Sir, can you explain quick selection tool again?
Yeah, sure, of course. Of course. I take some other image, okay? Beta, quick selection tool is used for quick selection of the image which requires greater precision to reach, okay? Like you open the image, I click on this quick selection tool, right? I drag the mouse. See how quickly I'm able to select the image. जैसे मैं ड्रैग कर रहा था, कितनी क्विकली ये सारी इमेज को उसने सिलेक्ट कर लिया. ओके, गॉट इट? और सारे एजेस देखो, सारे एजेस सिलेक्ट हो गए हैं. राइट? क्लियर? So yes, Sachi, any doubt? Please come on the video and discuss. Yeah, please unmute yourself, Sachi.
सर क्रॉप टूल की शॉर्टकट की क्या थी?
C.
थैंक यू सर.
All right, I minimize this Photoshop. All of you, we have finished the chapter and let us now proceed towards the exercises part. So I request all of you to open your textbook on page 109 and keep a rough notebook in front of you so that we can discuss the exercise. Okay, those who want to give the answer, they can raise their hand. Okay, but when I will finish the question, only then raise your hand. First MCQ, which tool is used to select adjacent part of an image? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Sir, magic wand tool.
Yes, very correct. It's B option, magic wand tool. The B option, magic wand tool, very correct. Which is the latest version of the Photoshop? Yes, Krishna.
सर सी ऑप्शन CS6.
Very right, very correct. C option, CS6. Those who have given the answer, they lower down your hand now so that other people can get the chance. One time only one can answer. Otherwise, rest of the kids won't get the chance. Which shortcut key is used to use magic wand tool? Yes, Bani, please unmute yourself.
Sir, A option W.
A option W. Very right, very correct. Are you all marking the answer side by side? Fourth MCQ. Which tool is used to drag a part of image to another location. Yes, Bhavesh, unmute yourself.
C part lasso tool.
Drag a part of image to another location. It's not C option, beta. Anybody else? Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Sir, A option move.
Yes, it is A option, move tool. Fifth MCQ. The selected part of image is called dash. Cropping marquee, cropping mask, cropping major. Yes, Rishita, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Cropping marquee.
Very right, very correct. It is A option, cropping marquee. Very good. I hope MCQs are covered. All right. Moving to the fill-ups. Beta, please lower down your hand. I will unmute myself. All of you, please lower down your hand. It's very good that you all know the answers, but lower down your hand. I will ask myself. So whosoever name I will announce, only that child will unmute himself or herself. So don't raise the hand, okay? This question is for Bhavesh. Bhavesh, please unmute. The first version of the Photoshop software was named as?
Display program.
Very right. Display program. Display program. Second blank. This question is for Samrat. Samrat, bete, please unmute yourself. Photoshop image. Bitmap. Very right. Very correct, Samrat. Very good. Photoshop images are bitmap images. Third blank is for Mishti, roll number 30. Unmute yourself, Mishti.
Yes, sir.
Images are made up of dash.
Pixels.
Very right, very correct, pixels. That's very nice that 7C is giving such a good response. This question is for Puranjay. Puranjay, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
The shortcut key to use the crop tool is?
C.
Very right, very correct. Good. C. This question is for Nitya. Nitya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
The Photoshop files are saved with the dash extension.
.psd.
Very right, very correct. .psd. Sixth, the Photoshop tools panel is present in the dash side of the window. Yes, Dhanvi, unmute yourself.
Sir, left.
Left side. Very right, very correct. Left side. So blanks are over now. All right, let's proceed to the true and false. There are 3 types of lasso tools. Yes, is it true? Is it false? Let me see. Okay, Krishna, unmute yourself.
Sir, true.
True. Lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool. True. Adobe Photoshop was launched in 1987. Is it true? Is it false? Adobe Photoshop was launched in 1987. Yes, Harjeet, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. True.
True. You can easily crop the images in Photoshop. Yes, it is true. Very true. The latest version of Photoshop is CS6. True. Thomas Knoll invented the Photoshop. Thomas Knoll invented the Photoshop. Yes, Puranjay.
Sir, true.
True. Very right. It is true. All right. So let us discuss the first question now. What is a Photoshop? Explain some features of Photoshop. Yes, please. Who will tell the answer? Who will tell the answer? Yes, Sachi, please.
So Adobe Photoshop is a graphics editing software program used to edit or modify as well as create new images.
Very
Photoshop
right.
is developed
Very
by
right.
Adobe Systems.
Very right.
Photoshop is generally used to create and edit magazine covers, books covers, albums, brochures, etc.
Okay, what are the features of Photoshop? It is user friendly. Okay, it helps for retouching and transforming of the photos. We can open and save the JPG
save.
documents. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, beta, you can refer to page 108. The very first point. Adobe Photoshop CS6 is a software used for editing graphics and images. Okay. And the second part of the question is explain some features of the Photoshop. Beta, you can proceed to page 99. 7 features are given. Let us read those features. It is user friendly. Retouching and transforming of photos can be easily done. You can open and save the JPG documents up to 65535 pixels. Right? We can create 3D features. Okay. It supports high resolution displays. We can add as many layers as required. Okay. What are the different selection tools? Yes, tell me. What are the different selection tools? Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Marquee tool.
Marquee tool,
Marquee tool.
lasso tool,
Lasso tool.
crop tool,
Magic wand.
magic wand, move tool. Okay. Marquee tool, lasso tools, crop tool, move tool, magic wand tool, quick selection tool. These are the various type of selection tools. Okay, third question. What is the use of crop tool? Yes, who will discuss this answer? Yes, Krishna, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, crop tool is used to select the required part of the image and remove the unwanted part of image.
Very right, very correct, good. This tool is used to select a required part of the image and removing the unwanted part. Very good. Okay, what is the use of magic wand tool? Yes, Kanav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, magic wand tool is used to select the adjacent parts of an image which are in the same color.
Very good, excellent response, Kanav. Magic wand tool is used to select the adjacent part of the image which are having the same color. Okay, last but not the least, how will you insert an image in the Photoshop? How will you insert an image in the Photoshop? Yes, Samrat, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Please try for the answer.
file menu, place option, a dialog box appears in which we select an image.
Okay.
Click on place button.
Okay. Very right. Anybody else with some different concept? Samrat has given the correct answer. Anybody else who want to bit modify it? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself, bache.
Select
Yes.
file menu, place option. The place dialog box opens.
Okay.
Click the drop down arrow to look in text box.
Okay.
Select the image as per your choice. Click the place
Button. So beta, how we will be starting this? That click on the file menu, choose the place option. The place dialog box appears. Okay. Then under look in window, look in text box, select the desired picture or image, click on the place button. Clear? So this.
So may you repeat again?
Beta, click on the file menu, choose the place option, the place dialog box appears. Okay. Click on the drop down arrow of look in text box, select the desired image and click the place button.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is how you can insert image in the Photoshop. Am I clear to all? Now, any doubt in any question to any child? Any fill in the blank, any MCQ, any true and false, or any question, any child having any doubt? Beta, please lower down your hand, please, if you have no doubt. Lower down your hand, class. Pranav, Kanishk, Nitya, lower down your hand. So you have doubt? Yes, Samrat, which doubt, beta?
Sir, second answer एक बार दोबारा बोल.
Different selection tools. Beta, marquee tool, lasso tool, crop tool, move tool, magic wand tool, quick selection tool.
Okay, sir.
Okay, lower down your hand. Yes, Nitya, unmute yourself. Which doubt you are having, Nitya? Nitya, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, in fourth question, what is the use of magic wand tool?
Beta, magic wand tool is used to select adjacent part of the image which are in the same color. You can refer page 106.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anybody else? Sachi has some doubt. Yes, Sachi, unmute yourself.
Sir, please repeat answer number 3.
What is the use of crop tool? Beta, crop tool is used to select a required part and remove the unwanted part.
Thank you, sir.
Lower down your hand if your doubt is clear to all, please. Beta, please be quiet in the class. Whosoever is all right.